Need to know Jeep slang. It took me over 40 years to realize owning a vehicle takes on a whole new meaning when you become a Jeep owner. Owning a Jeep is an experience on a whole different level than owning any other regular vehicle.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Oh, hell's revenge, huh? Fencing things. Boys a spider.
Yep. Oh, I just look at all
My
yours.
West Coast is on the other side.
Oh, okay. You've done a
Then, to find out about the Jeep community, and now to be a part of such an amazing community full of Jeep enthusiasts that feel the love for their Jeep like you feel about your Jeep, it's amazing. A Jeep is not just a vehicle, it's a way of life. You begin to immerse yourself into all things Jeep. And to be fully a part of the community, you need to learn the lingo. And just like with any other culture, there are slang words. And the Jeep community uses these as well. To get you started, here are my top 10 Jeep slang words. Droop, downward articulation or how far the tires can reach below the vehicle. Stuff, upward compression or how far the tires can be pushed upwards or stuffed into the wheel housing. Naked, a term used by Jeepers to describe a Jeep with the top and doors off. Oh shit handles, grab handles on the roll bars to hang on to while crawling through the rocks. Pumpkin, the differential, which is the device on the axle that splits the engine torque two different ways, allowing output to spin at different speeds. My pumpkin is painted purple. What color is your pumpkin? Wrenching, when a group of Jeepers get together to work on a single Jeep or multiple Jeeps, usually in someone's garage. Wheeling, driving your 4x4 vehicle off-road with a group of like-minded friends. Flex, or flexi, or flexed. The vehicle's ability to flex its suspension where drooping on one side and stuffing on the other while maintaining the ability to keep all four wheels on the ground when going over an off-road obstacle by means of axle articulation. Line, a pathway designated by the driver, giving them a sight line to the best possible route to overcome an obstacle or to travel on a specific pathway. Choosing the correct line is often essential to becoming a successful four-wheeler. Stealership, a derogatory term given to car dealerships where do-it-yourself drivers avoid purchasing parts due to them being notoriously overpriced. What Jeep slang did I miss that all Jeepers need to know? Share your Jeep slang in the comments. And don't forget to hit that red subscribe button.